In a bowl, add 1 cup mushroom, peeled and cooked pumpkin 1½ cups. Add 2 cups of soaked soya nuggets. Add Sauf powder, coriander powder, chili powder and cumin powder. Add curry powder, 100 grams of paneer. Add pepper powder, ginger, garlic and grind so well. Add salt, gram flour and corn flour, mix well. Now for the smoky flavor, place a small bowl in the middle. Place a small smoked charcoal and pour 1 spoon of ghee into it. Then close the lid tight for a few minutes. Few minutes later, open the lid and remove the bowl. Make small balls and coat it in gram flour. Now shallow fry these beautiful potatoes on both sides. See how these potatoes are. Enjoy!